Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to deposit cash into your EQ Bank account. Now, I know that EQ Bank is a great option for saving your money, but sometimes you just need to deposit cash, right? Maybe you've just received a refund or a gift, or maybe you're just looking to add some extra money to your account. So, how do you do it? Well, there are a few different ways, and I'm going to walk you through them all. Method 1. Interac e-Transfer. This is the easiest and most convenient way to deposit cash into your EQ Bank account. All you need to do is set up an Interac e-Transfer from your bank account to your EQ Bank account. Here are the steps. Log into your online banking account. Find the Transfer Money or Send Money option. Select Interac e-Transfer as the transfer method. Enter your EQ Bank account number as the recipient's account number. Enter the amount of money you want to transfer. Click on the Submit button. Once the transfer is complete, the money will be deposited into your EQ Bank account immediately. Method 2. Cash deposit at a bank. If you don't have access to online banking, you can also deposit cash into your EQ Bank account at a bank. Here are the steps. Go to a bank branch that has a partnership with EQ Bank. Tell the teller that you want to deposit cash into your EQ Bank account. Provide the teller with your EQ Bank account number. The teller will then deposit the cash into your account. Method 3. Mail-in deposit. If you don't have access to online banking or a bank branch that has a partnership with EQ Bank, you can also deposit cash into your EQ Bank account by mail. Here are the steps. Print out a deposit slip from the EQ Bank website. Fill out the deposit slip with your account number, the amount of money you want to deposit, and your signature. Attach the deposit slip to a check or money order. Mail the check or money order to EQ Bank at the following address. EQ Bank P.O. Box 5200, Mississauga, Ontario L5R5P3. Once the check or money order is processed, the money will be deposited into your EQ Bank account. Additional tips. Make sure to deposit the exact amount of money that you want to add to your account. If you deposit more or less than the amount you specified, the transaction will be rejected. Keep a copy of your deposit slip or transaction confirmation email. This will help you track your deposit and resolve any issues that may arise. Be aware of any fees that may be associated with depositing cash into your EQ Bank account. Some banks may charge a fee for depositing cash, so it's important to check with your bank before making a deposit. Depositing cash into your EQ Bank account is easy and convenient. There are a few different methods to choose from, so you can find the one that works best for you. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And with that, thanks for watching. Until next time.